Today we will learn how to format external hard drive from APFS to any format on iMac. First you have to make sure the external is connected to the computer. Then open Disk Utility. If it is not on the taskbar, open it on Search, then type Disk Utility. Choose the disk you want it to format. Notice when you click Erase there is no other option other than APFS. To change it, click View, then choose Show All Devices. Notice there will appear other directories. The volume, container and the main disk. Choose the main disk and click Erase. Choose any format you prefer. On my case, choose exfat. Scheme remains the same. You can change name. And click Erase. Once done, you can close Disk Utility and check external if format is changed. Thank you for watching.